today's video I'll be doing a productive day type vlog. So I'm gonna be taking you guys with me throughout my day and school today and a bunch of other stuff that I have to get done today. So you guys will be coming with me to go do those things. It's pretty early right now, so yeah. But before we get into this video, if you like lifestyle, beauty, organization videos, this is a place for you. So you should subscribe, you should like, you should comment. We can have a good time. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, you know, you can, you know, you should. I'm gonna be putting my Instagram somewhere for you guys to see. After school today, I have a meeting on my dance team over Zoom. This is the first time we've met with each other since last year. We had auditions. We had auditions again, and I had to re-audition as well. So I'll be seeing the new members, and I'll be seeing some of my old members and seeing my coaches. We're just gonna be discussing things in the Zoom call, you know, with my dance team. Things for this year, because this year's gonna be different than last year, because we may not compete this year because of quarantine. I'm kind of excited to get to meet the new members. Last year was my first year, so everyone to me was basically new. But this year, you know, I'll be seeing old members, you know, who I danced with last year, and the new members of this team, so I'm really excited about that. I think I'm also gonna try to clean my bathroom today too. So I have a lot going on today. I'm trying to get stuff done, like most of my stuff done on Fridays, so that I have Saturday and Sunday to kind of just chill out and I don't have to worry about anything. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can tell, but I'm at my desk right now. I'm about to make a to-do list because online school in general has been super hard, especially because of the website we have to use to turn in work. It's very complicated. We started doing online school in the last part of the school year and then transitioned into the new school year with online school. So writing to-do lists kind of just helps me stay on top of the things that I have to get done. This is today's breakfast. I'm having oatmeal with strawberries, and I like oatmeal a lot. I've always loved oatmeal. I've been eating oatmeal since I was really little. Like, I know there are a lot of people who don't like oatmeal, but I personally, I love oatmeal, so I eat it pretty often. So I'm just gonna sit at the table and chill while I watch some music videos and eat my oatmeal. And for those of you who care, I'm listening to Pretty Little Birds by SZA. I love this song. I'm listening to that. And then I'm gonna take my vitamins. Y'all have seen these make an appearance in another video, so I'm gonna take these as well.
Few moments later.
Hey guys, I'm back. I'm taking my dog out, and I take her out once super early in the morning, and then I take her out again 2 hours later because she's still house training. So I am about to start the application process for a school that I really want to go to. It's a very hard school to get into, just in general, like period. So I have to make sure that my grades are above and beyond, like not even just A's, like A pluses. I've been working really hard to make sure that all my grades are very, very, very high. So I want to get some like fall stuff for my room, because you know it's fall. So, and I kind of want to decorate my desk a little bit. I saw some cute stuff at like Target, because Target is good to get like decor pieces. But I don't know if I'll have time to go, or if my mom will have time to go to Target, but I hope I'll get to go. I'm waiting for my class to start, and my best friend just texted me actually and told me that she will be going back to school because our school opens up in 2 weeks and she'll be going back in person. I'm pretty sure I'm not going back in person. I'll just be continuing online school. My first class is about to start. Well, actually in a few minutes, not about to start, but it's gonna start soon. My first class is history, and I have a study guide for my quiz, like a study guide sheet that I have to fill out. It's part of a grade, but it's a study guide sheet, and I have to like watch a video and fill in the answers and stuff. And I've been working on this little study quiz thing for the past few days, so I have a few questions left. I'm just gonna type in the answer real quick and then I'll be done. Alright, so I'm about to hop on a Zoom call with a group for a science project, like finishing touches, because it's due today actually. We need to turn it in, we need to get some last minute things on there so that we get a good grade. I just finished with my second class, and as you can see here, it was an assignment I had to do. But anyways, I'm gonna put this stuff away, like the stuff for this class, like my binder and stuff, because I can't really deal with clutter on my desk, especially when I'm working, because it makes things a lot harder for me. I do not like clutter on my desk at all. I forgot, there's one more thing I have to do today. I have to put up new lights, not these. These are fine, but I have like lights that hang my Polaroids. Hold on, wait, I'll just show you. My dog chewed up the remote for the lights. So I have to put up new lights because I can't connect a new remote to these lights. Alright guys, so it is like, it's my lunchtime. So I'm gonna be going to lunch and I'll show you guys what I'm gonna eat. But I'm listening to The Beginning by Alina Baraz, this album. My lunch starts at 12:45. I'm a few minutes delayed, but anyways, doesn't matter. So I'm gonna go eat, and I'm gonna show you guys what I eat so you guys can see. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be making a homemade pizza for lunch today, and these are the ingredients that I'll be using, or that I use to make the pizza.
I cannot chase you, I cannot fly, I cannot make you, you make up your mind. You want me to prove it to you, to see what I lose. If I cannot.
My dog's been sick, so the vet told us to give her Pedialyte pops. For the class that I'm in, I'm currently in asynchronous time, and asynchronous time is just the time that you have like to yourself, or you do stuff by yourself. So there's a synchronous, I'm pretty sure that's what's called, synchronous time, where it's like 20 minutes of class with the teacher instruction and then talking and you having to be with the teacher and whatever. Then asynchronous is you going to do assignments by yourself. But I finished everything, so I know we can all relate to this. A lot of us, either during lunch or during asynchronous time, or like the little passing periods when they put people in breakout rooms and stuff, most people go to sleep. Since school has started, I haven't had free time to do like much. Like I haven't had time to read most of the time. I have school, and then I'm working from 3 to like 8 something. I eat, shower, and then do whatever stuff I have to do around the house, and then go to sleep. So I haven't had any time to dance in my free time, haven't had time to read in my free time. So I'm finally getting to read, so I'm gonna read right now. I'll be reading, I've already read this book a few times, but I like this book, so I'm gonna read it again. This is Paper Towns by John Green, and I like John Green books. They're very good. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Okay guys, so it is about 3:10. I lied, it's like 3, and my school day normally ends at 3:10, but I was released from class early, so that means I have about like 30 minutes until my dance meeting, because I have my dance meeting from 3:30 to 4:30. So I have like 30 minutes to change it to clothes, so I still have to change it to some regular clothes, so we'll probably stretch or something. And then I have to clean my bathroom, because I did mention that earlier. I'm gonna clean my bathroom. I'm gonna try and fit that in, and then I'm gonna try and convince my mom, you know, to take me to get some boba tea, get some milk tea, because there's this milk tea place by our house. It is so good.
I cannot chase you, I cannot fly, I cannot make you make up your mind. You want me to prove it to you, to see what I lose, to see what I lose. If I cannot find you up in the dust, if I stand here waiting, would you think I must stay here for days? I'm losing my ways.
There's really no point in waiting for someone who's not gonna change.
But yeah, thank you for watching this video, and be sure to, you know, like, subscribe, put some video requests in the comments if there's anything you guys want to see in particular I could do for you guys. Joy, come here. Goodbye guys.